And it is May 5th. It is Cinco de Mayo, and it is actually time for our brooder check-in for the day. I'm starting with this camera angle because I really wanted to show you guys what my brooder setup looks like. And last night, since we are out on my screen porch, it was going to get cold. So what I actually did to make sure the little baby quail chicks were going to stay warm enough is that I put one of my yoga mats here, which is a foam rubber, and just to cover part of the storage bin to help insulate it, to make sure some of that heat stays in. That big bright red bulb lamp is the brooder heat lamp, and that keeps our brooder tank, our storage tank, pretty warm inside. And you can see I still have my thermometer check up here, so I can always quickly tell what the temperature is, where the probe is, the thermometer probe. And that, we're going to come look over here. You can see that black cord is my thermometer probe. And you can also see we are now at 4 baby quail chicks. They have been very, very active. They're doing a fantastic job. I did get up in the middle of the night, probably around 3 a.m. to come check on them to make sure their temperature was stable and everybody looked healthy. I just washed out their water, and you can see that they're all getting a little drink, which is a really good sign that they're drinking. We need to make sure that they're drinking and staying hydrated. And then that little cap, or the little storage container cover, is actually where I've been putting their food. Now, we have to get them more food, so I want to show you where we do that, how I do that today. So the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of shake out the leftover crumbs. Put that back. Oh, they're all like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. All right. And then I have to show you, so they're eating a very special crumble called Game Bird Starter Feed. Now, because these are such tiny birds, quail are so fragile, so tiny, that we actually have to take those crumbles, which are meant for small game birds, and we have to crush it up even more. So you can see I have my mortar and pestle, and I put some of the crumbles in here, and then what I did is just crush it up. So now what I'm going to be able to do is scoop up some of that crushed up crumble, and I'm going to come and very carefully put it in their feeding dish for them. Oh, and we already have one jumping over. Like, what are we doing? What's going on? What's going on? There we go. And that way they can still access their food pretty easily. Now, what I've been doing to help remind them that this is food and the water to drink is I take my finger, just like a mother chick would do, a mother hen would do, and I just start pecking with my finger to show them, hey, that's food. And look at that. The little one, which was the last to hatch, has very yellowish feathers, just came and got a quick little bite. So I'm going to try to bring the camera down just a little bit so you can see them a little bit better. Say hello there. Again, these are very, very small birds. They're extremely active, which is a really good sign. And we're going to hopefully continue